So what I wanted to teach you today, just quickly, was about the law of attraction. Now, the law of attraction works from your subconscious mind based on your feelings. So here's something that I've done. I think a couple of years ago, or maybe 12 months ago, I think I started this, I'm not sure, but it's absolutely changed my life. I've had more money come into me personally than I have ever experienced before, and I contribute this to this one activity that I did. So if you have an empty wallet or an empty purse whenever you go shopping, and you open your wallet and you see an empty purse, maybe you've got credit cards in there but there's no cash in there, how's that going to make you feel? Does it make you feel abundant, or does it make you feel lack? So based on the law of attraction and the law of feeling, you want to feel abundant, you want to feel good in attracting something into your life. So now, the brain does not know the difference between what is actually real or imagined. So what you feel is going to trigger the law of attraction within you. So if you want more money in your life, you need to feel abundant, you need to feel wealthy in order to attract that. So you can't attract wealth into your life if you're feeling the lack of what you don't have. So this is what I did a couple of years ago, or a year ago, whatever it was. I thought, if I want to apply the law of attraction and have abundance and have more money into my life, I need to feel abundant. So this is what I did. And this is what anybody can do. You can do this in half an hour and start letting the law of attraction work in your life and start feeling abundant. So if I open my wallet and there's not much in there, I'm going to feel lack. If I open my wallet and there's lots in there, I'm going to feel abundant. And as I said earlier, the brain does not know the difference between what is real or what is imagined. So this is what I did, and I'll encourage you to do the same. What you need is a computer and a printer. And what I did was I put $1,000, now this is Australian money, I put $1,000 in my wallet, and I carry $1,000 with me all the time. Now, okay, I know it's not real, but the brain, as I said, does not know the difference between real and imagined. So every time I open up my wallet, I see $1,000 in there. Woohoo! So I feel abundant. Every time I open my wallet, I feel abundant. So therefore, I am attracting more abundance into my life. I know that there are some websites where you can actually buy fake money, but I don't know where they are. So you might need to do some research, or just go online and get yourself some. There you go. So my wallet has always been filled now that I carry this with me, not just with this money, but with real money also. So every time I open my wallet, I've got lots of cash in there because I'm attracting the abundance in my life. And it's working, and I really contribute this to this. So I would suggest you do the same. If you want to feel abundant, create your abundance, and you will draw it to your experience. So have fun finding money, printing it and putting it in your wallet. I'd love to see your comments and how it's worked for you. So leave me comments below, and happy abundance and money making. Bye.